All right, guys. I just discovered something kind of fun and probably useless, but I have to share it. Like a week or two ago, we did the Zapier Showcase webinar, and we kicked it off with like a quick lightning round where each of the panelists shared something that, like, maybe you didn't know Zapier could do. And I wish I had known about this at the time, because this is definitely what I would have shared. So here's the deal. I was just I was doing some testing. The use case doesn't really matter. But in this scenario, we've got an email coming into Gmail, but the trigger could be anything. What I'm going to show you is a feature in the formatter here within Zapier's like native formatter tool. So it is a text formatting options. So you're like modifying text in some way. And there's actually a whole bunch of really cool options in here. You can capitalize a name that comes in. You can extract an email address from a block of text. You can convert HTML to Markdown or Markdown to HTML. You can strip HTML. You can extract a URL. So I was sort of looking through here. I was trying to figure out, like, well, could I... Doesn't matter. I was just looking through these options. And I stumbled onto one. You can truncate, which is useful for like shortening up text for a tweet or something. You can split text into two different parts and then use one or the other. You can run a spreadsheet style formula. But I stumbled onto this one. Superhero name, which I have never noticed before or played with. And so I want to show you what it does. I was kind of like, what would superhero name do? Like, I'm thinking, like, proper casing the name, but then I thought maybe it just, like, creates, like, a superhero name from that person's name. So, which is exactly what it does. So I want to show you, I don't think I need these for now. I want to do a quick test with my name, and let's see what we get as far as my superhero name output. Gregory Jenkins turns into Subsquirrel. Not the best one. The first example I did was a different name, and it came up with Dream Squid, which I just absolutely loved. So let's do, let's try Jade's name, Jade Olivia. And we can test and see what Jade's superhero name would be. Air Flare. So good on ya, Jade. I don't know what logic it's using. Let's try my partner, Sarah. Here we go. Actually, watch this. PhD. See what that does for us. And figure out what her superhero name is. Ice Bolt. God. So I have no idea when this would be useful. But maybe there's a use case in your business where you can, automatically create and assign nicknames in a fun way for your course participants or your subscribers or your members or your employees. But this is just one of those super interesting, if not useful, features that I didn't know Zapier could do. And so as I stumble onto it, especially given the conversation that we've been having lately around Zapier and Zap recipes and Zap use cases, I thought I would share this one. Obviously, you could then take whatever this value is and update their nickname field in Keep, or you could, tweet it out, or you could merge it into a certificate, right? There's lots of different ways that I could see this being fun. And like I said, maybe not valuable, but at the very least, interesting.